All right, all I'm gonna do is just fix some Boudin. This one, Boudin is just like rice sausage. If you never had it, give it a try. All I'm gonna do is put a little bit of water in a frying pan, steam them for a couple of minutes, then lightly brown them, and I think I'm gonna make some eggs to go with it. And then the rest of these I'll just vacuum seal and put them in the freezer. All right, these are done. And a lot of times these are natural casing. A lot of times the casing falls off, which these did. It doesn't matter. And some people don't even eat the casing. I do, but some people don't. Now I'm gonna make a couple of eggs, and that'll be a pretty good lunch. All right, just a few over easy eggs, nothing fancy. All right, just a little salt, black pepper. Like I said, nothing fancy. All right, let me see if I could get these without making a complete mess and without breaking one. Give it just another second. A little dark on the bottom. I don't like burnt bottom eggs. These aren't burnt, but it's a little dark. And I didn't get splashed. All right, there's over easy eggs. And I didn't break one. So there you go. Just simple Boudin sausage, over easy eggs, a couple pieces of toast. It's good lunch. Easy, fast. Let me taste the egg. Always got to taste something. It's good.